The Weber Barbie Kettle is a great kettle barbecue for Weber charcoal beginners. Available in black, in 47cm and in 57cm sizes. Rust-resistant lid and bowl are made from steel and porcelain-enameled coating inside and out. This makes them weatherproof and extremely durable. The weatherproof handles are made of glass reinforced nylon, and the lid handle includes a protective heat shield. Rust-proof aluminium vents on the lid that slide open and closed easily provide the proper airflow for perfect barbecuing. Another rust-proof aluminium vent on the bottom slides open and closed easily to provide the proper airflow. The kettle comes with two large, durable, crack-proof all-weather wheels to make the kettle easy to move. For convenience, the rust-resistant aluminium ash catcher lifts out for easy ash disposal and cleaning. The rust-resistant cooking grate is chrome-plated, making it extremely durable. A charcoal scoop for accurate measurement of briquette quantity is included. The Barbie Kettle Barbecue has a 10-year limited warranty. The Weber Barbie Kettle is truly a fantastic charcoal barbecue and a great way to enter into the Weber family. Weber. Grill on.